creating assessments from your coursebook.
From your dashboard, select the option to Create from a PDF.
Upload your coursebook, or if you've used it before, just pick it from your library. Open your document and let Assessified do the reading. Wait while the system uploads your document. Now, tell it exactly where to focus. Select the pages you want your quiz built from. Hit Continue, and just like that, your PDF is processed and ready to become a test. Here, Assessified processes your PDF so you don't have to.
Next, set how hard the test should be. Want to test more than memory? Turn on Bloom's taxonomy, and Assessified will help you build questions that push students to actually think. Choose your question types: MCQs, short answers, whatever fits your class. And if Bloom's is switched on, pick the exact thinking skill each question should target. Remembering, understanding, analyzing, you decide the depth. Set the grade level you're teaching. Now the part that really matters. Select your education board and subject. Every question that follows will align with your curriculum. And there it is, a complete assessment built around exactly what you asked for. And while you're here, tell us what you think. Your rating helps us build a better Assessified for every teacher after you. Down here, you've got everything you need to finish up. Add more questions. Download a PDF if you'd rather test on paper. Save your progress and come back later. Or tap Student Preview to see exactly what your students will see before they do. When you're ready, share it your way. Open a live exam room with a link and a code. Send it by email, or assign it straight to a class. That's assessment creation, reimagined for how you actually teach. Board-aligned, AI-powered, and built to give you back your time.
Thanks for watching.